Dear viewers, today we will discuss examples of statistical concepts and techniques. It includes descriptive statistics, mean summarizing and describing data using measures such as mean, median, and standard deviation. Mean descriptive statistics, we use formulas of mean, formulas of median, and standard deviation formulas for interpreting of data. Probability, the study of random events and their outcome. For example, when we toss a coin and we get head or tail, it is probability. Inferential statistics, making conclusions about a population based on a sample of data. Inferential statistics mean making conclusions. We make conclusions in inferential statistics about a population based on a sample of data. When we get a sample from a population and we making conclusions is called inferential statistics. Regression analysis, examining the relationship between two or more variables. When we discuss two or more variables, regression analysis, we can say that it is a regression analysis. We can say that x, y, z, three variables, relationship between three variables x, y, z, we can say that it is the regression analysis. Hypothesis testing, testing a claim or assumptions about population using statistical method. When we use statistical method for testing a claim or assumption about a population, we can say that hypothesis testing.